Oceana 81907, follow the aircraft on final. Wind calm cleared to land runway 25. China Eastern 5059er number 2 for landing. Follow the twin jet on final. Wind calm cleared to land runway 25. Airbus leaving my airspace, frequency change approved.
Jeju Tower Airbus frequency change. Jeju approach Airbus is type Airbus A20N 3 miles southwest of Jeju 3,400 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Aircoach 8045, you are 13 miles northeast of Jeju. Contact Jeju Tower on 118.55 when inbound. Airbus Jeju approach. Squawk 0515.
Squawk 0515 Airbus.
Airbus radar contact 4 miles west of Jeju, 6,600 feet. Cleared through the Bravo airspace.
Cleared through the Bravo airspace.